irritative.
Right.
Sir,
So-
the rules of council persistently and willfully obstructing the business of the house. Only after naming of such member, the chairman shall put a question on a motion being made under sub-rule 2 of Rule 256. Hence, the suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member.
Right.
However, yesterday, sir, you were
I
not
understood.
there.
No, please.
So I am bringing to your notice 1 minute,
Yeah, please.
half second.
No, no. Take half a minute. No problem.
No,
Please tell
1
me.
minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct.
Right.
Is not in order.
Right, sir.
The
Once
unprecedented
I heard
and
you.
undemocratic
I heard you in
is a
rapt
blatant
attention.
violation of the rules.
Right. I
Sir,
heard you.
demand
Karge ji,
This
please.
suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house.
If you-
And, sir, 1 minute. We all members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this. And this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
Right.
So,
I heard the
please revoke
LOP.
it.
Let me clearly clarify
revoke
it
it.
for the sake of the
I
understanding
see-
of the House as well as the nation. The Rajya Sabha is a continuing institution. And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266, even other residuary powers also. Chairman can take action and also the House can take action. What happened yesterday is not chairman taking action. It is the House, after a resolution is moved,
No,
that
sir.
has taken action. And also, no, please, hear me, please, hear me. Even about these members, on 10th August, go through the records. If you want, I will ask that to be released again. 10th, we have named members. On 10th, we have named members. We have requested them also to go to the respective seats. I appealed. Please, Ramesh, when the chair is speaking, you are not supposed to disturb him. I heard the LOP. Right. Okay. Not the House except the opposition, some opposition parties. Okay. I agreed. And then one minute coming. No, please sit down. No, please. When a chair is speaking, don't interrupt him. It will not go on record. I will not call you again. When I heard him fully, these people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The deputy chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. And 11th, no, you say no. You say no. I am not doing it. Please. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please sit down. Sit down, Mr. Venugopal. This is not the way. See, you try to mislead the House, you disturb the House, you ransack the table, and you also throw the papers on the chair, and also you have some of them have gone down to the table, and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. The motion was moved, it was approved, action is taken, it is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all. I am not considering. Juror about the flood situation. Juror Mr. G.K. Vasan. Issue of heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Vasan. Please sit down. Please sit down. Very important issue. Very important issue.
This is a matter
Yes,
of
what happened in the House
regarding
earlier was a matter of
Tamil Nadu,
democracy.
sir.
That's why action is
I
taken.
call the members to hear this. Tamil Nadu is reeling under heavy rains for the past 1 month. The state of Tamil Nadu
Mr.
has been severely
Vasan.
affected.
That has been disposed of. Please sit down. Please sit down, Mr. Suhas Sivan and Bitter. Please sit down. Otherwise, I have to. Please. Mr.
तो बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, निलंबन को लेकर खड़गे ने सवाल खड़े किए और कहा कि मौका देना चाहिए सांसदों को अपनी बात रखने का। इस पर सभापति ने साफ कह दिया है कि निलंबन वापस नहीं होगा, ये आखिरी फैसला है। विपक्ष की मांग को चेयरमैन ने खारिज किया है। सांसदों का निलंबन वापस नहीं होगा और तय प्रक्रिया के तहत ही कार्रवाई की गई है और अधिकार है, कभी भी कार्रवाई करने का अधिकार चेयर को है। ये बात सभापति वेंकैया नायडू की तरफ से कही गई। सभापति ने कहा कि आप रिकॉर्ड को देखिए, किस तरह से वो पूरी हंगामा किस तरह से हुआ था, किस तरह से पेपर्स फेंके गए थे। कार्रवाई कभी भी हो सकती है, सांसदों का निलंबन वापस नहीं होगा, ये भी सभापति वेंकैया नायडू ने साफ कर दिया। हंगामा करने वालों को फटकार भी लगाई है। खड़गे ने दरअसल निलंबन का मुद्दा उठाया था और कहा था कि अपना पक्ष रखने का मौका देना चाहिए था सांसदों को। इस पर जवाब दिया है सभापति ने, कहा है कि कार्रवाई कभी भी हो सकती है क्योंकि ये मॉनसून सत्र का पूरा मामला था। इसको लेकर भी खड़गे ने कहा था कि नियम के तहत नहीं हुई है, लेकिन स्पीकर ने कह दिया कि दलील में कोई दम नहीं है, नियम के तहत ही कार्रवाई हुई है।
Giving financial aid to Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
Right. Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson. On floods.
I'm
floods.
associating with that.
You associate.
House, kindly rest.
No, that has been solved.
I'll speak few minutes, Chairman. I'll speak few minutes.
Mr. Siva,
Chairman, I'll speak few
these
minutes.
slogans will not go on record. This is a murder and insult of democracy. Please.
We are also to request for Central Delhi.
You don't want to discuss it.
We are requesting.
K.C. Ramamurthy. K.C. Ramamurthy.
Sir, thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to mention
That
a very
should go on
important
record.
matter pertaining to Karnataka. Sir, incessant heavy rains in Karnataka from October, particularly in Bangalore, has thrown life topsy-turvy, inundated and damaged many houses, lakes, overflowed, damaged various infrastructure facilities in the Silicon Valley of India. Sir, if you look at Bangalore rural, percent of departure from normal rainfall
No
is
reporting.
39%.
No
and
showing.
in Bangalore urban,
You are only shouting. What is
it
the
is
use?
11.22%, which is the highest in the last 6 decades. And sir, Karnataka received 129 mm rainfall between 1st of and 21st November, which is highest in the last 1 decade and third highest in the last 6 decades. If you
no
follow
slogan,
warnings
no showing
by
of
IMD
papers.
for many districts, including districts in the Western Ghats,
Nothing to be covered.
clearly indicate the magnitude of severity. The untimely incessant rains all over the state has created extensive damage to standing crops,
Please,
most
what
of
you-
which were in the harvesting stage, sir.
Senior member.
The persistent
You are a
rainfall
senior member. Say
has
whatever
also
you want to say
damaged a
from
large
there.
number of houses and critical infrastructure such as roads, schools and
Senior
other government
by
offices.
your age and
Many of
as
the
well as
low-lying areas
your profession also.
are flooded. 25 people have died, sir.
So
More than
Karnataka flood
9,000 houses
situation.
have been damaged. Crop loss in 7 lakh hectares. More than 2,300 kilometers of roads are damaged in the state, sir. Huge infrastructure damages are occurred. And
Right.
hundreds of kilometers of roads, culverts
Okay,
and bridges
Ramoth
are
Garu.
damaged in Bangalore, sir. So there is no doubt that civic authorities And the government of Karnataka have been doing everything they
Karnataka,
can in the relief,
situation.
rescue and restoration work. But it is not enough, sir, since the damage is enormous. Sir, Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister are seized
What
of the
is there
matter
to look?
and are in
I have
contact
looked
with the
enough.
Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, in view of the above, I
Please.
request the government of India
Right,
to send
Ramoti.
IMCT immediate to take up on-spot assessment of damages to release relief from NDRF. Release 2,000 crores as immediate financial assistance to take up relief, rehabilitation and restoration works in a fixed time frame and carry out repairs to roads, stormwater drain networks, sir. And I also request to constitute an expert committee to study the causation of such extreme events and study
Right.
the change in climatic
See,
conditions
who-
and
why
such a concrete
we
plan of
Vijay
action.
Sai Reddy?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Please, please. Okay. Right. You have got every right, sir. You have got every right.
But that could be taken further. No, that could be taken further by the members.
Please, please. No, I have called Vijay Sai Reddy to speak on floods in Andhra Pradesh. I will hear you, Kesavaga, later. I'll come to
Let them walk out, sir.
you. You have got every
मैं पर्याप्त अवसर दूंगा, लेकिन बेल में आने के